The Mercedes-Benz W245 B-Class from 2005 to 2011 offers adjustable seats for optimal comfort and safety. This video guides you through the process. Note that adjustments should be made with the vehicle parked and the ignition off. Base models have manual adjustments using levers. Typically, a lever at the front adjusts the seat's fore-aft position. A lever on the side adjusts the seat back recline. Locate these levers and use them to adjust your seat position. Sport and higher trims feature power seats controlled by switches on the door panel. These switches allow for electric adjustment of forward back position, height, and recline. Use the switches to find your ideal seating position. Let's walk through the steps to adjust manual seats in the Mercedes-Benz W245. First, locate the fore-aft lever under the front of the seat. This lever controls forward and backward movement. Lift the lever while seated, then slide the seat forward or backward to your preferred position. Release the lever to engage the locking mechanism and secure the seat position. Next, locate the recline lever typically found on the side of the seat back. Pull the recline lever and lean back or forward to adjust the seat back angle for comfort. Finally, test your seat position by sitting normally and making any necessary readjustments for optimal comfort and safety. First, locate the power seat controls on the door panel. These are typically found on the side of the driver's seat near the door. Second, use the forward and back buttons to adjust the seat's horizontal position. Press and hold the appropriate button until you reach your desired position. Third, use the up and down buttons to adjust the seat height. This helps you achieve the right eye level for optimal visibility. Fourth, use the recline button to adjust the seat back angle. Find a comfortable position that supports your back while maintaining good control of the vehicle. Finally, fine-tune all adjustments until you're comfortable and have good visibility of the road and instruments. Test drive briefly if needed to confirm your settings. Proper seat positioning is crucial for safety and comfort in the W245. Ensuring the seat is adjusted correctly maximizes airbag effectiveness during a collision. The infographic shows correct steering wheel positioning. Keep your chest 10 to 12 inches from the wheel, with arms slightly bent and shoulders against the seat. Position the seat so your knees are slightly bent and your hands can comfortably reach the steering wheel without stretching. For optimal ergonomics, adjust lumbar support to maintain proper spine alignment, as shown in this illustration. Use lumbar support pillows like this one to correct posture and provide embracing support for long drives. Proper lumbar adjustment can reduce back pain by up to 30%, improving comfort for drivers of all heights. Common issues with the W245 seat adjustments include worn cables or switches, especially in older models. Aftermarket parts are readily available for DIY repairs, making it easy to fix these problems yourself. If power seats become stuck, check for corroded wires in the electrical connections. Many online guides can assist with these repairs, helping you save on dealership costs.